Hey y'all, I'm Ginger from the Ginger Marie blog, and today I'm gonna be making something that you probably didn't know you could make at home, candy. We're doing some sour gummies that you can make for Valentine's Day or, you know, any other Wednesday. So I'm excited to do this and let's get started. All right, so we're gonna be using some frozen fruit, about a cup. You wanna make sure that you defrost it. So now we're gonna mix everything together and heat it up. Some water, 1/3 cup of that, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey or agave. I like to use agave. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Start simmering. So simple. Okay, so now that our mixture is simmering, we're gonna gradually add in some beef gelatin powder. And this is what's gonna like thicken it up. So we're gonna bring that back to a simmer. After it starts simmering, you're gonna scoop off any bubbles that are at the top and then pour it into your gelatin molds, which is what your candy shape is gonna be. After you fill all of the little candy molds, then you're just gonna put this in the fridge for about 6 hours. Honestly, I just make it at night and then leave it in there overnight so they get nice and firm. Okay, now for the other fun part is popping these bad boys out of the mold. Stretch the mold and punch them through, little one by little one. And it's not the little cutest thing. This could literally be an ASMR video. So you're gonna take a 1/2 cup of monk fruit, and then you can do 1 to 3 teaspoons of citric acid. This is what's gonna give it that super sour flavor. So however much you can handle, put it in there. Then we're just gonna mix this up really well. Now we're gonna take some of the gelatins, throw them in there, mix them around, and then immediately take them out. And there you have it. You're a candy maker now, and you just made these from scratch. So, I mean, that's pretty awesome. Cheers to you.